everyone, welcome to Persian Cuisine. Today I'm going to show you how to make tahdig. Tahdig is the combination of two words. Tah means the bottom, dig means the pot. And that's normally the bottom of the rice, which is crunchy, and there are different kinds like potato tahdig, rice tahdig, eggplant tahdig, and bread tahdig. So today we're going to make the potato tahdig. The first thing I did, I washed the potatoes, peeled them, and sliced them in like this, not too thick and not too thin. And then I'm going to add oil to the pan. First thing, I'm going to add some olive oil to the bottom of the pot. I turn on the heat, adding the sliced potatoes, and let them gently fry. And then I turn it to the other side. One side seems to be fried. I'm going to turn it to the other side and let the other side fry as well. The second side of potato is frying, and I'm going to add the rice to the top. I'm going to add, this is about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I'm going to put the damkoni on top and let it steam for 25 minutes. This is the lid of the pot. This is a clean cloth and it's cotton or linen. I put the lid inside of it. I put a knot on top, and in Farsi or in Persian we call this damkoni. This is helping the rice to steam very well and is going to turn out to be absolutely great. 25 minutes is passed and our tahdig is ready to be plated. I'm going to put the big platter on top of the pot and I flip it. Our beautiful tahdig is ready. It's gorgeous, it's crunchy, it's delicious. Please let me know if you make it and how it goes, and I wish you all the best. Have a wonderful day. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you all and see you next time. Let's check the crunch factor. Very crunchy. Yummy. Delicious.